Okay.
Everything you have, don't worry about it. Everything is for you. Everything. These all things for you. Palm water for you. Okay. Now, my friend, I am now going to explain you very important thing. Okay. Now there are two problems here. What are the two problems here? Your some friends told that angular misalignment and radial misalignment. This point is here. Where this point should be? It should be here. It should be here. It should be here. And this one should be like this. This should be like this. Is it right?
Yes.
Angular alignment. Okay. So it means that now it is at this position, and I will add the shim so that it will become like this. It will become in this position. For angular alignment,
This one for angular, teacher.
yes, you are right. For angular alignment, this is the required position. You see this line? This line?
Yes.
This is the required position. So when I want to make angular alignment, this point should not change. This point should not change. This is the formula. The formula, when I will use it, this point will not change. It will remain here. It will remain here, and this will come here to this point. This will come to this point. Yes, you concentrate here. This will come to here. What does it means? That I am going to add the shim this much here and this much here. I am going to add the shim here. How much? From here to here, and from here to here. Anybody no understand? Please tell me. Please tell me. Huh? This is front side and this is back side. So on the front side you will add this one, and on the back side you will add this one. Is it clear?
Yes.
What again? See, it is here now. It should come here.
Teacher,
It will make,
teacher,
yes.
which way teacher is
Huh?
منتف
Yes, please.
Spider-Man.
Yes.
which way teacher إذا إذا
Speak in English, Yashi. What is saying, Yashi?
منتف منتف
Because I want, see, okay, good. We want to make angular alignment. We want to make angular alignment. And we also make radial alignment, vertical.
وأول شيء لا
منفت
benefit.
بنفت انا اقول منفت
Here. It should come here.
يلا فرق حرف
teacher not
What?
تعال.
I will tell you. I will explain you.
أول شيء
1 minute. There are two problems. Okay, 1 minute. Let me, yes, I will explain. There are two problems here. There are two problems here. One is angular misalignment and one is radial misalignment. He's right. He's saying that this shaft should come here on this line. Yes, you are right. But we have two problems. First, we will solve one problem. What is that problem? Angular misalignment. Yeah. Don't talk to other people. Talk to me if you don't know. Okay, first problem is angular misalignment. So, if I will use this formula, it will tell me the shims. It will tell me that I should add this much shim here, and I should add this much shim here. And what will happen? The shaft will come here. This formula, the benefit of this formula is that radial position will not change. The radial position will not change. Now you can see here, did this point change? This point is at the same position. This point is going up or going down?
no same
Not. This point is same. Not going up, not going down.
yes
So this is the point from where I measure the radial position. So radial position is not changed. Is it right?
yes
Now is it angular alignment okay? Angular alignment is okay. Okay? Okay, let us now make angular alignment and we will make angular alignment so that radial position is not changed. What is the, I will come to that point, what you are saying, should come to. We will do that also. But let us start here. Now what we will do is that we will measure the, we will take the angular reading. We will take the angular reading. So same thing, I will take the angular reading, and angular reading in this case is 76 millimeter. How much it is? This is your angular reading. What is the angular reading? 76
millimeter.
meter. Okay.
Teacher.
1 minute. That's it.
Hang
Okay, I will answer after I finish writing this. After I finish. After I finish this, 1 minute. Okay, let me finish. Because you are asking some question which I did not tell you. Let me finish this one, okay?
Okay.
Because I will give you full information, then you will understand, okay? Because he was asking something which I didn't tell, okay? I am going to tell everything, okay? After I have finished and you don't understand, then I will tell you, okay? So what is the angular reading here? What is angular reading? Angular reading means difference between this distance. I will first write this clearly. This is angular reading 76 millimeter. What does it mean?
Distance
It means,
up and down.
yes, I will tell you, don't worry. It means, you know, this is the distance from here to here. I will tell you, don't worry. Okay, you can see here, this is your coupling. So this distance is, and this distance. When you will take angular reading with dial indicator, it will tell you difference between this and this. Same thing as before, same thing as before. So in this case, it is 76 millimeter. Difference between this and this is 76 millimeter. What does it mean? That from here to here is 259 millimeter. If you will measure, from here to here is 259, and from here to here is 183 millimeter. 259 minus 183 is 76 millimeter. Agreed? Same as before.
Yes.
Now we want L1. From here to here is L1. Now L1 here is, okay, whatever is, L1 from here to here is 185 millimeter. And L2 from here to here is 419 millimeter. 419 millimeter. Now if you will use the formula which I have used before, Fs is equal to A into L1 divided by coupling diameter. You remember the formula? This one?
Yes, yes.
Now if I will use this formula, I will get the answer. Front side is 83 millimeter and back side is 192 millimeter. Now from here to here is 83 millimeter. Okay?
What name is teacher?
This is front shim for angular alignment. Front shim for angular alignment. If I will use this formula, which before I used the formula, what was that formula? Front side.
FS teacher.
Front side is equal to A into L1 divided by coupling diameter. And same was back side is also
Same.
A into L2 over coupling diameter.
قطع.
Now this one is from here to here is coupling diameter. Check.
Teacher.
Uh,
L1 teacher.
And Father, first I finish, then I will give you all answer. Okay? Let me first finish. Okay? Let me finish. Okay? I will tell you that also. Let me first finish. No question now. After I finish, then you will answer me. Because I am going to tell you many things now. Okay? So don't ask me before I finish. Okay? So this is from here.
To here.
Here this is top side and this is bottom side. This you get angular reading. You can find from here to here. This is coupling diameter. From here to here is L1. From here to here is
L2.
L2. Okay, now you will get the answer. And what will happen? That you got this shape. This one is 83 millimeter. Front side, your answer will come 83 millimeter. And back side will come your answer 192 millimeter. 192 millimeter. So this one is 83 millimeter and this one is 192 millimeter. So it means that your new position will be here. This will be your new position. Okay? Okay, now I want 1%. Just hold it. I didn't bring this magnet, otherwise I will. Okay, just hold it. Yeah, thank you. Okay, now you are here. Now you are here. This is your position. After you calculate by your angular shell, you will come here. Now, but you have got another problem. You have got radial, and how much is this? This is one is 48. This one is 48 millimeter. From here to here is how much? 48 millimeter. Before also it was same 48 millimeter. This point is not changed. So what does it mean? That this point should come, this shaft should come from here to here. And this shaft should come from here to here. So what does it mean? From the front side, I should remove 48 millimeter. And from the back side, how much I should remove? 48 millimeter. So what I will do is that I will not add 83 millimeter on the front side. I will not add this 192 millimeter on the back side, 192 millimeter on the back side, and 83 millimeter on the front side. I will not add. What I will do is that
I will remove.
no, listen. What I will do is that after I get this answer, okay, this is your paper, okay. This is front side, this is back side. This is angular and this is radial. Okay. Now what is your angular reading? Your angular flexion was how much? Front side was 83 millimeter and back side was 192 millimeters plus and plus. And how much should I remove? 48. So I will write here minus 48 millimeters minus 48 millimeter. I will calculate now. What is the answer? 83 minus 48?
100. لا
Plus 35 millimeter.
35.
And here it will be
144 teacher.
144. 144. So I will get for the front side 35 millimeter, and I will get for the back side 144 millimeter. So what I will do, I will use the bolts of the motor front side and back side, and I will add 35 millimeter and 144 millimeter, and that will make both the problems solved. I will get both the problems done. What are those two problems? Radial plus angular. Radial plus angular. I will get them both done in one step. In
One stop.
one step. I don't have to do first angular and then radial. I will calculate them together before, and when I will add the shims or remove the shims as per my calculations, the shaft will come from here to here. This shaft will come okay. This is this shaft will okay. This shaft will come from here to here. This is the required position. This is the required position. Okay. You can do it. Thank you. No, it's
Teacher.
okay. Now you go. Okay. Now, when I will add the result, what was the result? This was my result. Front side I will add 35 millimeter, and back side I will add 144 millimeter. When I will do this one, what will happen? Okay, I tell you. So that it is more clear to you. Okay. Now this is, when I will add the result, what will happen? That this shaft will come here. This shaft will come. This shaft will come here. You understand?
Yes.
Now there is no angular misalignment, and now there is no radial misalignment.
Good, teacher.
Direct, I will get the result, together, one time. Okay, now I think, actually I told you this so that you know what are you doing and what is the effect of your step, whatever you are doing, what is the result of that.